7 pencils. Good job. Now, how many more pencils does Kayana, let's see here with a different color, Kayana, this is for Kayana, have more than Alina, and here we got Alina, right? Okay, they are similar till this, okay, because Kayana got more pencils than Alina. So if I ask you how many more pencils does Kayana have than Alina has, of course you are going to add the part after this, right? Which is 1, 2, which is 2 more pencils. Or you can count and make subtraction. But I want you to be used to read the picture graph and try to find the answer from the picture graph without counting, okay? Because mainly the picture graph is for helping you to compare data, to compare between two persons, 2 snacks, 2 months, 2 years, whatever. It's for comparing between 2 things, okay? The picture graph should help you on this. Now it says Mrs. Green in this question here, think smarter. It's saying Mrs. Green has the same number of pencils as the 4 children. So Mrs. Green here, it has the same number of pencils as the 4 children. So we have to add all the numbers of pencils for each children. Now let's do it together. For Alina we have 3 pencils. For Kayana we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 pencils. Okay. For Dante we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 pencils. And here we got 8 pencils for Brad. If we added all of them, we can get 20 pencils. Or we can do it in a very different way. We can count the pencils, since each picture for a pencil stands for 1 pencil. So let's count all of them, okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we got 20 pencils. Now, I hope you understood the idea of the picture graph and how to read it, or how to figure out the data from the picture graph. Now, in question number 6 here, it says use graphs. Christy has 7 pencils. So Christy has 7 pencils. Write 2 sentences to describe how her number of pencils compares to the data in the picture graph. Okay? So Christy has 7 pencils. Okay, we will erase all of this. For me, I will erase it, of course. For you, you can keep it as it is. Now here we have Christy, who has 7 pencils. It's like we have Christy. It's like if we have Christy as a person among those 3. I have no place in the paper to draw it, but I will draw it like this. Okay, we have here Christy. I will draw it like this only because I don't have a space here. If I have a space here, I will add the Christy here, okay? So check in your book. If you have a space, you can do it. Christy, and we have here like this. Okay. It has how many pencils? 7 pencils, so we will draw it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now if I want to compare Christy to Kayana, for example, okay, now Kayana have till this part like this, okay, and Christy has all this till here. Now I need to know how many pencils does Christy have more than Kayana. So if I take all of this, they are the same till here, and we have 2 more. Okay, so I can write the first sentence like this: Christy has 2 more pencils than Kayana. Okay, and we can say here is for Brad. Okay, if I want to compare Christy to Brad, for example, so they are similar till this part here, right? So we have here 1 more pencil extra. So we can say in the second sentence, we can say Brad has 1 more pencil than Christy. Okay, so as you can see here, we used the graph in order to compare Christy's data compared to Kayana and Brad. Now as a homework here, I want you to write 2 different sentences other than those that I mentioned. So I wrote here Christy compared to Kayana and Brad compared to Christy. You will have to compare between Christy and Alina and write the sentence, and Christy and Dante and write the sentences. Okay, I want you to tell me who has more pencils and how many more pencils than who, like the 2 sentences that I wrote. So this is a homework. Again, I want you to write 2 sentences to describe how the numbers of pencils for Christy compared to the data in the picture graph. So you are asked to write 2 sentences which are different from the sentences that I wrote. I will not accept that you will write the same 2 sentences. No, I want you to write 2 new sentences to compare between Christy's number of pencils to Alina and Christy to Dante. Okay, now this is the end of our lesson. I hope you understood the lesson. Please stay at home, stay safe. May Allah bless you all. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.